now guys, this is how we actually get to the next step. Okay, so now what is the next step? Now I'm sorry guys that we had to stop in the middle. Okay, there seemed to be a problem. So now guys, basically what is our next step now? Okay, wait. Okay, so basically guys, now our next step is this. Negative 5 upon 2 plus minus 9 by 2. Okay? So now when you have plus minus 9 by 2, what exactly will you do now? What exactly will you do guys? So now obviously you have 4 divided by 2. Okay? Okay, because you have negative 5 plus 9. Okay? Which gives you 4, and then 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, the next value is negative 5 minus 9 on 2. So that gives you negative 7. Okay? That gives you negative 7. Okay. So now guys, this problem has been solved as well. So now we're going to go on to the next example. Okay, now we're going to go on to the next example. Now guys, I'm slightly just sorry guys. You might be thinking that I'm acting a little weird. Guys, basically there's a problem in my camera as usual, and it's been affecting my YouTube channel as well, you know. But basically guys, I don't get the time to diagnose a problem with my camera. But don't worry, I'll solve that problem as soon as possible. Okay, so now guys, the example which I'm going to take, guys, I want you to listen very carefully now. Okay, this is a very much harder example now. Okay, this is a much harder example. So now the questions are going to get harder. Okay, just hold on guys. That's why I keep on looking at the question. Okay, it's minus 2. Let me just check. Yes. Okay guys, it's minus 2. Let me write the 2. Guys, reason why I keep on checking the sign is because then even one sign can change an entire answer. Okay, so what is the first step here guys? First step here is dividing by 2. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so you get minus 1 equals 0. Okay, that's the first step here. Okay, so now guys, what is the next step? So now guys, we have to take half the value of 3 by 2. So half the value of 3 by 2 is 3 by 4. Okay, you either divide by 2 or you multiply by half and you get 3 by 4. So then this is what you get guys. 3 by 4 squared. Okay, minus 3 by 4 squared. Okay, this is what you get. Okay, so now guys, what is the next step? So now guys, because there's a negative here, you're obviously going to get 3 by 2 squared. Okay, now you're going to get 9 upon 16. Okay, minus 1 equals 0. Okay, so I'm sure you understood how you got 9 upon 16. Okay. Okay, so now what do you do guys? So now it's very simple. Okay, so now 16 divided by 16 is 1. So you have minus 9. 16 divided by 1 is 1. So you get 16 here. And then you, okay guys, you carry, I was going to write 25 in the denominator. Okay, but anyways, now you have to carry the LCM back. So you get 16. Okay, so now let's go here. There we go guys, let's go here. So now obviously you get x minus 3 by, wait guys. get 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4 guys. Okay, now guys, I went too fast. Okay, I went too fast and I actually did it. You get 3 by 4. Okay, that's what you're supposed to get. Okay guys, you're supposed to get 3 by 4. Okay, my apologies for that. You're supposed to get 3 by 4. Okay, so now you get 3 by 4 here. Okay, minus. Man, ever since this camera, has screwed me over, I'm also screwing my concepts, I guess. So, yeah, okay. So you get 9 by 16. Okay. So don't worry guys, any problem that we may have, we'll solve it. Yes guys, you get 3 by 4, yes. Jesus Christ. Sorry guys for that, but it just came up. This camera has been annoying me as well. It's really taken off my concentration. Okay, so now guys, basically now you take 3 upon 4 square. Okay, so now you take it on the other side. Okay, so you get 9 by 16. Okay, so now let's do this pretty fast now. Okay, so now basically guys, you have to cancel out the square root. You have to cancel out the square, you have to cancel out the square. So you take the square root on the other side. Okay, so you get 3 by 4. There we go. You get 3 by 4, but it's plus minus 3 by 4. Okay, and now this is what you get. You get x equals 3 by 4 plus minus 3 by 4. Okay, you get plus minus 3 by 4. Okay, now because this is negative, it becomes positive on this side. So basically you get 3 plus 3 upon 4. So 6 by 4 becomes 3 by 2. Okay. Wait, okay. Guys, there's something actually funny. I don't know why I feel that there is something wrong. Okay. I don't know, it might just be my imagination. I don't know. Okay. So basically you have 0 upon 4. Okay, we obviously get 0. So guys, this is the answer, but let me check. I might have done something wrong. Oh my god, yes, I did. Oh my god, man. Where have I gone? No guys, I'm sorry. You see guys, this is what happens. You see guys, when I realized I made a mistake here by putting 3 by 2, when I realized, I actually forgot that I have to add these two, so that's why I'm like, this cannot be the answer. So guys, here you get 25 by 4 equals 0. You see guys, this is what happens when you do mathematics. The moment you get distracted, then it happens. Even after teaching so many kids, I still make such mistakes. When I get distracted. My camera has been distracting me. This is not an excuse, I'm just telling you, it happens to the best of us. So that is why guys, this is a lesson for you to keep on practicing mathematics. Okay? I was lucky enough to catch this mistake. Okay? But then I was unfortunate enough to let this mistake go unnoticed. That's just how it is. Okay, so let's not waste any time. Okay, let's just do this once and for all now. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it. Okay, 5 by 4. Okay. Oh, 1 minute guys. Yes. 5 by 4. Okay, this is 5 by 16. Okay guys, the camera has distracted me quite horribly. If the camera didn't distract me, everything was going so perfectly. Guys, actually what happened was that my camera, my camera was gonna turn off recording mode, and then I realized that maybe recording mode has been turned off, and then I put the recording mode on, and now I keep on looking as to what exactly happened. So ever since then, but anyways, okay, let's do it. Okay, so you have plus minus 3 by 4, so now you have 3 by 4, okay, plus minus 5 by 4, okay, plus minus 5 by 4, okay, plus minus 5 by 4. Wow, this mistake really made this question take long. Okay, so obviously you have 8 divided by 4, which is 2, and then you have negative 2 divided by 4, where you get negative a half. Okay, we're finding two values. We're finding two values basically. So I'm sure from here you know how to take it. So, I'll just leave it here. So now let's do the next example. Okay. So now let's do the next example. Fortunately, no such mistake will be made by me in the next one. But if you're someone who while solving this question said to yourself, what on earth are you doing making so many mistakes? Well then congratulations to you, because you also used your mind, and you were very confident. So, it's not a bad thing when your teacher is teaching and you correct their silly mistakes. It's not a bad thing. It's good for you. It's only going to make you gain more confidence in learning maths. So always be fearless when you're learning maths, otherwise you can never learn maths. Okay? Anyways, so let's do the next example. Okay guys, I was very fortunate enough to realize that how can 0 be the answer? How can 0 be a root of this quadratic equation? I was like, my experience can never let me tell me that's the answer. Okay, let's go. Okay, 2x squared plus 7x. Is it? Okay, yes, minus 15. Okay, so let's do this one now. Okay, so how do you do this one? Again, the first step, divide everything by 2. X squared plus 7 by 2x minus 15 by 2 equals 0. Okay, what is the next step now? Okay, you have to divide 7 upon 2 by 2, or you multiply it by a half. Okay, whichever method makes you happy. So now what does that give you? Plus 7 by 4 squared. Okay, minus 7 by 4 squared. Okay, minus 15 upon 2 equals 0. Okay, so now over here you're going to have 7 plus 4 squared. Okay, fortunately I'm not going to make any mistakes now. Okay, 49 minus 16 minus 15 upon 2 equals 0. Okay, so I'm sure you know how I went from here to there. I'm sure you know. Okay, so let's do these 2-3 examples very fast. Okay. Okay guys, so now so let's take comeuppance from the camera, okay, by going faster, so let's go. Okay, so now 16 divided by 16 is 1, so you have that much. Okay, so now 16 divided by 2 is 8, so 15 multiplied by 8 is 120. Okay, 20 over 16, you have to carry the LCM back. Okay, so now you have x plus 7 by 4 square minus 169 upon 16 equals 0. So now we take it on the other side. 169 upon 16. Okay? So now you have, you have to cancel the square by taking the square root. So now you get 13 upon 4. Okay? So now you get plus minus. Okay? So now you have, okay, because it's positive on left hand side, when you take it on the other side it becomes negative. Okay? So now you have plus minus 13 over 4. Okay? So now what do you get? So basically you get negative 7, okay, plus 13, okay, over 4. So basically you get 6 over 4, which is 3 by 2. Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. We were supposed to get that. Excuse me. Okay, so now you're going to get negative 20. Okay, negative 20 divided by 4, which gives you negative 5. Excuse me. So now basically you have two values. Okay, you have two values. Okay, so now this is the correct answer to this. So basically you get negative 7 minus 13 divided by 4, and that's how you get it. So now let's go to the next example. Okay, so now guys, I'm taking another example for you. So I'm first going to, I don't know which one to take